Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm diving into a topic that hits close to home for many of us. Literally. It's about the home buying experience and why, shockingly, 82% of recent home buyers ended up regretting their purchase. Let's unpack this together. Imagine this. You've finally taken the plunge to buy a home. It's supposed to be one of the most exciting times of your life, right? But for many, this dream quickly turns into a burden. A recent survey by Clever Real Estate highlights the stark reality faced by American homebuyers today. 43% of these buyers are struggling just to make their mortgage payments on time, and nearly as many have had to shoulder extra debt just to maintain their standard of living. That's almost half of all new homeowners feeling financially strained. And here's the kicker. Most of these issues stem from spending too much on their new homes. Now, why is this happening? Well, the current real estate market is a jungle. High home prices, rising mortgage rates, and a laughably low housing stock are squeezing buyers from all sides. And to add to the complexity, there's a shift happening in how real estate commissions are structured, which has been the standard for decades. So, what can you do if you're looking to buy? First, understand the market. Knowledge is power, my friends. Use online websites like My Home, My Sale to compare real estate pros and get the best expert advice tailored for your situation. And second, think long-term. Are you prepared for the financial commitment? It's not just about affording the mortgage now, but also being able to handle it down the road. Remember, buying a home is not just a financial decision, but an emotional one too. Don't let the pressure of the moment lead you to a decision you might regret. Take your time, do your homework, and make sure it's the right move for you. And if you're one of the many who found themselves with buyer's remorse, it's not too late to seek help. Financial advisors can offer strategies to manage your situation better, and sometimes, knowing you're not alone can make a big difference. Thanks for tuning in today. Buying a home is a huge step, and it's crucial to go into it with eyes wide open. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.